This dynamic happy baby stretch is a great way to improve the flexibility throughout the inner thighs as well as the hamstrings. So let's get started. You're gonna lie on your back, and typically happy baby looks like this, okay? But it's really important that the setup is as good as we can make it. So I'm gonna try to keep a slight arch in my back. So even then, as I pull my legs in toward me and I grab the outside of my feet, I'm trying to create a little bit of an arch in my back, okay? So I'm trying to make sure that my pelvis is rotating forward a little bit. I'm gonna get a little bit more of a stretch. Now I'm gonna try to pull my knees down toward my armpit as much as I can, and you can kind of play around with the position your feet are in. Here, this is going to be a little bit different than if your feet are pointing straight up. Ideally, you want your feet pointing straight up. Now, what I'm gonna try to do is I'm gonna try to straighten this knee as much as I can without changing the position of my lower back, and then I'm gonna bend. Then I'm going to straighten the other knee and then bend. Now, as I go to straighten this knee, my lower back really wants to round. Like I really want to do this, but as much as I can, I'm trying to keep that arch in my back, so that way I'm gonna get a little bit more out of it. And you're just gonna alternate back and forth.